We are Cell Explorers, a science education and outreach program. We believe that science is for everyone and like to share our love for science by delivering hands-on science workshops at schools and festivals. During our most popular workshop, Fantastic DNA, we help young people to extract DNA from a banana. To celebrate World Refugee Day, we invite you and your family to explore DNA with us. You can extract banana DNA at home in a private online workshop. We will send you a science kit to help you do the experiment. You will also need some materials from your kitchen. 1 glass, 1 teaspoon of salt, 40 milliliters of water, more or less, 1 teaspoon, liquid soap, 1/4 of a banana, 1 uncooked spaghetti strand, or a toothpick or a paperclip. Once you connect to our online app, you can perform the experiment along with our Cell Explorer scientists. You can also ask them questions about cells, DNA, and about the daily life of being a scientist. To secure a ticket in our online workshop, you need to book a ticket using the Eventbrite link. Make sure to give us your post address so we can send you your science kit. We hope to see you there. Want to start exploring in the meantime? After you book a ticket, we will send you a link to some of our videos to watch.